Sponsored by Jeans Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, the official dealership of Life in Alaska.
Hey, welcome back everyone to Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again for a look at weather. And of course, we'll start off with a great photograph. This one's sent in by John Nuremberg up in Healy. And he was out there with his dogs and captured a sun dog. Beautiful shot there. Look at that stark that looks. Again, if you have a photograph to share with us, send it to Mike Schultz at KTVF11.com. Here's our numbers right now at the airport. 2 degrees below zero after a high of 9. Overnight low about 14 below. Record high 39. That was set in 1929. In 1950 got down to 50 below. Sunrise this morning at 8:56. Sunset at 5:18, which gives us about 8 hours and 22 minutes of daylight, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. And we do have an air quality index to pass along to you. A problem, again, Fairbanks and North Pole, both an unhealthy situation. People with respiratory problems or children should remain indoors. That's expected to last till 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Here's our satellite picture. And again, we have a lot of energy moving across the Gulf of Alaska, some of it working its way into the Anchorage Bowl, but not much working its way past the Alaska Range. And this is expected to continue our mild temperatures tomorrow. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, we have, for the most part, some showers around the Juneau area, cloudy skies at Ketchikan, showers at Kodiak Island, up and down the west coast. Again, a little bit of shower activity around Nome, and cloudy skies at Barrow, with Fort Yukon is 0 degrees and cloudy skies. Lower 48 weather, a little bit of a respite from the storm they had yesterday, but more storms starting to develop across the northwest part of the country, and that's moving to the southeast, all because of the jet stream. More storms across the southeast part of the country too. Here comes the next storm moving across right on down following the jet stream, bringing more cold air and more snow activity. In fact, next week it's going to be downright miserable because the storm pattern expected to bring a parade of storms all the way across the country with more cold air reinforced from Canada. Kind of lousy weather there, but not too bad over in Alaska. In the northern sections, partly cloudy at Barrow, snow showers for Nome, and cloudy skies at Fort Yukon. And mostly cloudy skies for Fairbanks, and mostly cloudy with blowing snow in Healy tomorrow for the interior. Over southeast Alaska, we'll be looking at heavy rain for both Juneau and Ketchikan, a very stormy situation there. Over to the southwest, periods of snow at Bethel and Cold Bay, with rain and snow at Kodiak. And a lot of snow expected of the south central regions, afternoon snow in Anchorage, then 2 inches for Homer and 4 to 8 inches expected in Valdez. Okay, once again, time for our kids' weather program. And this week we're talking with the kids from U Park Elementary School. And tonight, a young man has a question for me.
Hi, my name is Josh. I'm in Miss Roth's class in U Park Elementary. Here's my question for the weatherman. Why did it rain in January?
That was a very unusual situation that happened. We had a huge high pressure area. The clockwise flow of that helped to bring that moisture and warm air up from the south across the Pacific Ocean, warmed up enough to give us rain. And that's what happened. So tomorrow night we'll be talking with the teacher. She'll have an interesting weather fact to share with us. Okay, here's your forecast for tonight. 9 degrees below zero, partly cloudy skies, not as cold as it was last night. Tomorrow's forecast for Valentine's Day, 20 degrees, more clouds with warmer temperatures, and the extended forecast, as you can see here, we're looking at some snow activity developing by Friday. That will continue Friday night and then probably end by Saturday, and then the cold temperatures move back in. As I was telling you last night, we're looking at overnight lows, could be near 30 below by Monday night, but a little bit of a recovery on Tuesday at 5 below.